It's been a really long time since I've made a video that was car related, but this might help some people out, considering I only found one video that was relevant to this, and it was on a regular 3, so this is on a speed 3. We got P0455. Oh, sorry, 0455. And we're thinking it's this guy. This is the canister vent solenoid valve. And it is in one of the worst locations you could ever put a part. It is right by the gas tank, on top of the rear subframe, and you can almost replace it without moving the subframe, but mine is rusty and I think it's going to be completely pointless to try and get it without the subframe being dropped a little bit. So there are 6 bolts that need to go for this subframe to come down a little bit so we can get in and do what we got to do. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and it's the exact same on the other side. Yeah, come on, yeah, and right through the spring, right there, looking nice and clean. I'm sure that'll come out no problem. Right, we got 4 out of the 6 bolts out. I have them still in holes that are through the springs, and we are going to support the subframe with something, and then back those out of there and drop her down. Turns out you'd have to take the shock bolts out as well, so I have done that. So you and I are going to see for this at the same time if this thing actually drops, because it might be held in there on goodwill and rust. Let's see. Oh no, she's coming. Oh yeah. Oh baby, look at that. Okay, it's not actually sitting on that right now. I know that the brake cables, hoses, lines will get rather taut when you do this. So, the push down on the wheel a little bit just to get everything free. We got that friggin' monster truck fitment. Go. Oh Lord. There we go. Tons of room. Look at that. So, we want to replace... Oh, you can't see shit. We want to replace... that thing. Almost impossible to get this on camera, but you see that thing? The thing with the bit and the other bit and the bolts? Yeah, that's our problem. Tried to be nice with her, but we still snapped it the fuck off. What else is new? So I guess we gotta see if we can get that one off cleanly. That'd be cool. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get that out of there and put another thread in. Who cares? Here's the old one. I've seen better. Focus, you. Focus. Yeah, there you go. Hey, look, a chunk fell off. The rest of the car is not as rusty as this section. But yeah, this is rusty as hell. And by some aligning of the stars, I was able to get this one out. So we were able to remove this whole thing. So I can fix these stupid studs. thank you so much for not snapping. If this snapped, I probably would have just put it back up there with some construction foam or something ridiculous. But it looks like we're going to be able to put it back up there the way that it was intended. It'll still be vibration dampened and stuff. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. She is in. She is wet.